MLA ka Kongres na umroy uba George B. Lengdo akan kedor bar senrai ulawan ra ekamat datai halor ke jinglong jengman jo ke jingkiang duar ksut bat ke jingkiang dam side kaba ulakran habayatai ke no confidence motion bat kumjo ha ka call attention motion Uniu MLA ulong ba ke jing song senjor jo ke jingkiang duar ksut ke tang namar ke jingyat jo kitrok baket palat pot udoyong bat namar kani ke jingkiang keladon ha ke jingma yu pat ba bayat bayang Uang ba kejengkang baniat mentasipor na gani kejengkiang kala bopat kejengma saya kejengkiang dam side kabala bantua ha kanu kopor. Menteri rang ba kejala ulah pentip ba kesorkar kala betha iki board district ke MECL katenat mining bat ki pulit bakin petngor bat tek lakam ya kejengya jengki kali bakit palat pot na gini kejengkiang. Kumjuru usembut menteri rang ba kejala ulah pentip ba National Highway Authority of India kan sasnano ada kejengkiang nar ba sipor hadwar ksut ban penyiat biang ya kali he na gani kesurok.
To the plying of overloaded trucks which are coming from Saulat right up to Umiam Dam. Because in between we have three bridges. One is at Demthring, one is at Maulai, another one somewhere there. Because if these bridges are damaged and they are old bridges, we'll be having a big problem. So overloading should be stopped. I don't know if they're illegal trucks or they're legal, that's not the point. The point is overloading will break the infrastructure which we require the most at the moment.
So having said that, sir, there were some points that were mentioned regarding the Umiam Lake and the dam that is there and the concerns over it. So let me assure the House that both the MECL as well as the mining department and the district administration and the police are watching over this entire aspect, and we will ensure that whatever movement takes place is done within a safety procedure and within safety level, which is what has been instructed to the MECL, and only on the basis of that are any movements being allowed. It has happened in the past. It's not that it's something new that's happening, but I think I take the suggestions given by the members positively. We must be careful, and I can assure the House that we will be careful about this aspect, sir.